I'm here to introduce my 2x72 grinder. I'm still working on it. I'm making a platform that's going to be adjustable, that slides in with this lock. You can also put different attachments into it. Here's a ball after I pull this one out. But I plan to make a bunch more attachments for this thing. It's a very useful tool in the shop. And here's how it runs. Here's how the tracking, it really tracks well. And I can control the speed. I can turn it right down. And this is kind of cool so you don't burn your knives or your nut axes. And it also has a capability of going into 180 degrees. You just drop it, and you turn it into a horizontal to vertical grinder. Yeah, so you get the preliminary plan from Jeremy Schmidt, to the amazing YouTuber, woodworker, and he built one. And I changed it a bit. Thank you.